Subscribe to Freelancing with Fahad to enhance your freelancing skills. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.
Hey there, this is Fiverrologist. Accepted, we are one such nation that doesn't believe in investment in our education and investment in our business as well. There are some assets in every business that need continuous investment, and we should keep on and on improving our craft to stay timeless and to stay in the market. Today we'll be discussing about the explainer videos. These tools are not free, but once you will invest in those, you will feel that they were worth it. So based on this discussion, here is Freelancing with Fahad with 10 amazing explainer video tools no one is talking about. Number 10, Explaindio. This is an easy peasy drag and drop software that you can download in your computer as well. All you have to do is to drag the items in this whiteboard area, and you will be manually setting the timelines up there, the time for which it will stay in the screen. You are encouraged to check their YouTube channel so that you could get an idea about how they are going to make the videos for you. And if we discuss about the pricing, it's $37 per month, which is a moderate price, I think. What if you could earn $500 by paying this $37 per month? I think it's a good investment. Number 9, VideoMaker FX. Unlike Explaindio, this is also a drag and drop software, but this comes up with a number of templates that you can download from internet as well. Similarly, this can also be downloaded in your computer, and if we discuss about its pricing, it's $27 per month, which is quite economical. Let me tell you, it is quite economical as compared to the other software that are there on internet. And I've seen many people selling the services of VideoMaker FX on Fiverr as well. Number 8, Sparkle's VideoScribe. This is a software that you must have heard from me a million times. I literally love this software. You can try their free trial as well, but trust me, this is not much expensive software. They have this yearly plan of only $8 per month. If you will buy the yearly plan, this will be $8, but if you will buy the monthly plan, this will be $17.50 per month. I have seen many people selling the services related to VideoScribe on Fiverr. This is a good software to give you a kickstart in this market, but eventually this is not the end. You should move to the more complex software with the passage of time. But it is good to give it a try, and you can download it in your computer. This is not a cloud-based software. Number 7, My Simple Show. This is one of the software that can be termed as professional one. The 3 previous ones that we just discussed are used by kids, are used by the beginners in the market, but this is one of the software that come up with some high quality of SVG vector images. You can check all those images at their website, and you can gauge the extent to which they are focusing on the quality of their product. And surprisingly, not surprisingly actually, their price is $129 for the business account. That is pretty much expensive though. Number 6, Doodly. Trust me, if there is any software that has chased me like a dog to purchase them, it was Doodly. They are doing shameless marketing, and their product is of extremely high quality. They are offering you top-notch SVG images, and they are of high quality. And if we check their price, it's $39 per month, which is not much high. I think if you are earning $500 to $600 per month through this software, I think it's worth paying the price. Number 5, the Animator. They do not have much impressive website, but their portfolio is quite impressive. The big business giants like Amazon, Nokia, HP, Mars, Unilever, they are using their services, and they are not bragging about it. They are telling you the truth. Surprising thing is that this software is free. I am not sure that this is free or not, but I'm pretty sure that they are going to charge you somewhere. They will charge you for adding some plugins. They will charge you for downloading some images, some templates, but this is a clickbait. I'm pretty sure about this. They will offer you free registration, but when you will become accustomed, when you will become habitual of this software, they will start charging you for adding some extra features in that software. They are literally working on the 3rd law of power by Robert Greene: conceal your intention. Number 4, the Powtoon. Trust me, this is perfect for you. If you like jollier templates, you won't find anything more jollier than Powtoon on this planet. And you can check that some big business giants have also purchased their services. And if we check their pricing right now, they're offering the limited offer of 50% off on their premier package, which is $37 per month on the premier package, but you can get $27 per month for a normal package. Number 3, video. This is not the video with V, this is the video with W. WIDEO Video. This software is also used by some big companies like Discovery and University of Toronto. Surprisingly, this software is quite free to a limited extent. You can get 10 templates for free. You won't have to pay anything for that, and you can make up to 1 minute video. So if you are offering your client the video of 60 seconds, you can go for it. But once you get your hands-on practice on this software, you can go for the basic software or the pro package of this cloud-based software. All these softwares are not downloadable. They are cloud-based. They cannot be cracked other than Video Maker FX, Explain.io, and VideoScribe. Number 2, Biteable. The quality of this software is that it mingles up the human realistic videos and the cartoonish videos and creates a symphony to create an impact on the audience. It is being used by Virgin, it is being used by Shopify, Panasonic, and Cisco. Many big companies are using this software. This is also quite professional and surprisingly not much expensive. If you will check their plans, it's only $15 per month at start. You can try $29 and $49 for the premium packages as well. And these are charged annually. I am not sure whether they are offering you the monthly plan at the moment. I could only see the yearly plan at the moment. But trust me, this is an extremely good software that you should give it a try. So without discussing any honorable mentions, let's discuss the number 1 software from my perspective, which is Vyond. This is literally a software liked by each and everyone on this planet. And trust me, the future belongs to Vyond. And this software is free for the first 14 days. You can use their trial version. And after that, they will be revealing you the actual price. I'm not pretty sure about what will be the actual price, but you should give it a try. You can try this for 14 days. So that was the video, guys. Please do let me know how you like this list, and do let me know how successful you were in your career of explainer videos. Thank you very much.
Subscribe to Freelancing with Fahad to enhance your freelancing skills. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.